This video teaches you how to unlink a linked form on Google Sheets and prevent new form responses from automatically going to your spreadsheet using a desktop internet browser. Open Google Sheets in an internet browser. Type sheets.google.com into your browser's address bar and hit Enter key on your keyboard. Click the spreadsheet file you want to unlink. Click the Tools tab. It will open a drop-down menu. Select Manage Form. It will open a new set of menus. Click Unlink Form on the Form menu. You will have to confirm your action in a new pop-up window. Click the Unlink button in the confirmation pop-up. This will confirm your action and unlink your form from this spreadsheet. New answers on the form will no longer automatically go to your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.